Hi guys, good afternoon. Ayan. Prepare kami guys kasi uuwi kami ng Malaysia ngayon. Dapat 3 p.m. So magte-3 na siya. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-ready. Hindi pa ako nakakaligo. Si ate kakauwi lang galing school. And then si baby kakatulog lang. So pero tapos ko na ayusin yung mga dadalhin namin. Yung mga damit. And then yung mga food. Kasi medyo malayo siya guys. Parang biyahe lang sa amin sa probinsya. Manila to Bicol. Parang ganon. Pero kung mabilis mag-drive, siguro mga 6 to 8 hours lang ganon. So kailangan namin magdala ng maraming ng food kasi syempre 'di ba? Noon anytime kami pwedeng kumain kahit saan. Pero ngayon iba na ngayon. So ayun. Ilang days ba kami? Ngayon, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So, mga 5 days kami, guys. Doon. 5 to 6 days kami doon. Kasi uwi namin Tuesday na. And then, Wednesday, may pasok na yung mga kids. Ayan, guys. Isang maleta lang yung dala namin. And then, ito, dadalhin namin ito yung mga damit na pang baby. Ibabalik na namin sa Malaysia. And then, ayan. Magdadala ako ng isang bag, yung mga susuotin namin mamaya, pag alis. And then, yung food namin nadadalhin. Ayan, andito yung iba. And then, milk, ito. Guys, dawin na kami. Nandito kami sa dawin na kami. And malapit na kami sa immigration. Luckily walang traffic. And guys, what? Sa kabila guys, Malaysia. Ayun. Yung mga building sa kabila. Grabe ang humps. So yun na yung I think bawal mag-video dito. Okay. Ayan guys, kalalabas lang namin sa immigration. Dito na kami. Ayan. Malaysia na. Yan, Malaysia na guys. Bawal kasi mag-video kanina pag nasa immigration. So tinigil ko siya. On the way na kami sa sa Malaysia immigration. So ito na yung bridge niya guys na on the way sa Malaysia. And kapag rush hour dito guys, inaabot siya ng ilang oras. Dito ko halimbawa mga 15 minutes lang ganon. Pero pag rush hour siya guys, inaabot siya ng 3 to 5 hours. Ganon katagal. Kasi sobrang haba ng pila.
Malaysia where? Malaysia's where?
Malaysia border. This is Singapore-Malaysia border. Umulan siya guys. Yan yung Malaysian immigration. Malabo. Ayan. Dito na kami. Malaysia immigration. Malapit lang siya. Queuing. Maulan.
Hello guys. Welcome back to our video. Wow, Singapore flag.
So, andito na kami guys, Malaysia. Kalalabas lang namin sa Malaysia immigration.
I saw it. Yeah, that's Singapore flag. I know.
It's not Singapore. We're already in Malaysia.
That's Singapore. Buy one,
Welcome to Malaysia.
Semarang baru.
you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul and let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. You don't need to fall to the call, cause they said so. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. No more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, they said our mind and bodies intertwined. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on over if you wanna have a good time. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine.
Kilometers pa guys bago kayo makarating ng Kuala Lumpur.
Ambulance, ambulance. Catch the ambulance. Oh my God! Mom, I haven't seen that sound before.
Hi guys. So nag-stop muna kami para kumain. Ay, nag-order kami ng noodles. Ayan. Curry. Nice. Ooh, not on the table.
Then I can see the dog. Nice house now. Are we near? Not yet. Still long. Then where are we going there?
barcode. Wow. Social. Kailangan i-scan yung barcode para makapasok. Kasi Ude.
哎呀，你们呐？这上啊，哎，上车上车。
Hello. Where? That house ah.
I think so.
This one ah.
Oh no.
Ganda ng mga bahay dito, guys.
11 na.
Wait, your mama. Oh, they are waiting in front eh. Ganda ng bahay, gandor. Yan yung kapatid niya, guys, sa panganay. Dito pala kami, hindi doon sa bunso.
等下。
Tutyal. Hi guys, good morning. So, dito na kami sa bahay nung ate ni Sam, yung panganay na kapatid niya. Nakapag-video ako gabi kasi sobrang pagod. Anong oras na kami nakarating dito? 11:45 na ng gabi. Ayun. Ito yung kwarto. Ayan.
Okay, I already cut my hair.
Tingin ko kwarto to ng mga nung dalawa niyang anak na lalaki. Ayan. Tulog pa yung baby ko. So, lumabas muna si Sam and then yung parents niya para bumili ng food. Anong oras na ba? 9 a.m. Di pa nag-almusal, guys. Dapat sasama kami kaso si baby tulog pa. Ayaw pang gumising. Umiiyak. So mamaya na lang. Dito na lang kami kakain sa bahay.